Hey, it's Christina Daves with PR for Anyone, and I've got this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. What I want to encourage everyone to do is to create a 12-month media calendar. Look at the calendar, look at seasonality, look at crazy non-traditional holidays, look at anything that's related to your business that you can pitch the media and set it up. Mark your calendar that, on a certain date of every month, you're going to pitch your 5 favorite journalists, your 10 favorite journalists. We've talked about that in another one where you keep track of them, have a Google Doc, know where your journalists are, but set something up so that you're pitching the media every single month. So you're always in front of them. And then when you have breaking news or something trending or a study comes out, you're able to add that to it that month and stay front of mind with them and be that expert in your industry. So I hope you like that tip. If you would like more, please join us in the free PR challenge. It's at www.yourprchallenge.com. Give me 10 minutes a day for 10 days and I will show you how to get more visible and how to get publicity. So I hope to see you there, and I'll see you next week with a new tip.